Hello everyone. Today we will discuss time measure problem of October 2015 long challenge. In this problem we were given a number and we were supposed to find all the times from midnight to noon in which the angle between the hour hand and minute hand is equal to the given number. So for this example 30, we are supposed to find all the numbers, all the times from midnight to noon in which the angle between hour hand and minute hand is equal to 30. So for that we have this two answers. We are supposed to print these answers. Before continuing with the problem, we need to understand some basic concepts. Movement of minute hand. We all know that minutes can be from 0 to 60, right? So, and also we know that a clock has 360 degrees. So from this we can conclude that for every minute hand, minute hand moves by 360 by 60, that is 6 degrees. And for our hand, we are given with some data, that is our hand moves by 160 of degree between two consecutive hours, but we also know that angle between two consecutive hours will be equal to 360 by 12, right? That is 30. So our hand moves by 30 by 60, that is 0.5 degree for every minute, that is for every 6 degree movement of minute hand. Here is a code. In this problem I am using set just to avoid printing multiple same values, because set rejects duplicate values. So I am making a set. Now for every test case we are scanning n, and then we are iterating through this while loop. Now this outer while loop is for our hand, so our hand will move entire one circle, right? That is 360 degrees. And for every hour hand we are first initializing the minute hand to 0, and then minute hand will move by entire 360 degrees. But the difference between hour hand and minute hand is hour hand will move by 0.5 degree while minute hand will move by 6 degrees. Here we are calculating C, that is the difference between angle of minute and hour hand, absolute difference. And this is the important part. Here we are checking that if C is greater than 180, that is when angle is more than 180, we need to consider the opposite of that is, so we are checking this condition. If C is greater than 180, then we are making it equal to 360 minus that value, and then we are checking the absolute value of the answer we get, and n, that is the number which we have scanned. If that number, that absolute difference is less than this, that is 1 by 120, then we will say that this time period suits our requirement and we need to print this time. For that we are making our hours hand equal to I by 30, because for every 30 degree I will be incremented, that is for first 30 degrees it would be 0, for next 30 it would be 1, right? And this is to check the minute hand, it would be equal to j by 6, and we are taking the integer. This would be integer because j is always a multiple of 6, right? We are incrementing by 6, but this won't be always a multiple of 30. So for that we are making it integer typecasting, and then we are inserting this into a pair. This one is a pair, we have declared it here, pairs P, and then we are making J1 equal to J, that is the minute hand. We are storing the minute hand, and then we are incrementing J by 6 and incrementing I by 0.5. But here is a one of the tricky case here. For when J1 is 354, right, we have written here J less than 360. So when J is 354, after adding 6 it would be 360 and it won't run. So we need to check this last case. For that we are checking if J1 is equal to 354. If it is 354, then we are making J1 equal to 360 and taking difference of them, and then doing the same thing. That is, first took difference of I minus J, and if it is greater than 180, doing 360 minus C, and then taking abs of C minus N, that is absolute value, and then doing the same thing, inserting in first and second the values. Now here I am inserting that every pair into S. S is the set which I have declared here, set of pairs, and after inserting that we are retrieving that every pair and then printing that. For printing I have made another function in which I am just sending the two integers, and this function would print according to the values. That is, if A is less than 10 and B is less than 10, then we need to append 0 in front of them, right? For the other three cases also we are performing the similar tasks. And also we are clearing the data, clearing set after every test case. Thank you.